Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to remove the front bumper to an 07 Mazda 3 sedan. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. To open the hood release cable is located down on the driver's side in the knee area. It's right here. It's clearly indicated with a hood open. Safety latch is located in the center of the symbol. You push it over to the driver's side, lift it up. The hood rod is clearly indicated with an arrow. And I'm going to take this plastic body clip off. It's just a snap clip. And then this metal one, using a Phillips screwdriver. There's duplicates on the other side, so I'm just going to go over there and do the same over here. We raised the vehicle now to show you the rest of the video on how to take the bumper off. I raised it so it's an easier view for you guys. We're going to start inside the driver's fender well. There's two clips. This one's missing. There's one there. Just a little Phillips. Sometimes these plastic clips, they get sand in them and they don't come out, so you have to pry them out with a tool. I'm lucking out on these. And we'll move over to the passenger side, do the same. Here, this is what I'm talking about. The plastic actually gets stripped from the sand that's in there, so you just have to force it out. It's not really that big of a deal, it's plastic. We got one more here. Sometimes you have to hold the plastic base. Okay, now we're ready to raise it all the way up. On this particular car, someone's been in here before trying to reinforce the undercarriage splash shield. So they have a lot of aftermarket hardware. There's various from 13mm sockets to 8 Phillips screwdrivers. So it's your vehicle, if it's factory, are different sizes. And if you've done some repairs or you have a used vehicle, you might have different sizes. So it all varies. I'm going to finish taking the splash shields, the fender well splash shields off both sides. So we need to get up inside the fender well to get the bumper bolts out. And then there's 3 over here. Now I can disconnect any connectors that mount to the bumper before I pull it out. Sorry. That's the harness for the sensor and the fog lights. And then I've got to come over this side, do the same. So I've got to disconnect the harness for the fog light, disconnect on the harness that goes to the fog lights assembly. Someone broke the clip, so someone put a wired plastic tie. And now we've got the harnesses disconnected from the bumper. I'm going to lower it. So up in here is one bolt on each side. It's an 8mm socket. This will disconnect the side of your bumper cover on the fender well. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So you run your hand down the fender well, feel where that clip, that screw was that we just took out, and you're going to pull outward. And same with the passenger side. And then down in here in the middle, there are two clips that are holding the bumper on. Now raise them up. And then you can pull your bumper away. I'm going to reverse procedure to reassemble the bumper. Bring it up to the level. Put these two front clips in. They just push down. I'm going to work my way over to the passenger side. See how they go? You've got three clips there. 1, 2, and 3. You want the bumper on the top of them. And then push in. Do the same on the driver's side. Line those clips up. Push in. I'm going to install my top bolts that I took out in the beginning. Same process over here. We have two plastic push pins. And then one on the other side. Now we have our two screws that go up on the fender. Line that up. And while that's tightening, you want to line your fender up with your bumper here. So let's pull that out just a smidge. Back off on it before I tighten it down. Pull that out. There we go. We'll go to the other side, do the same thing. This side, when it came to me, it was missing the bottom one. So I'm going to see if I have a replacement for it. There we go. Go to the other. Now we can reconnect our electrical from down below. This had a clip that goes right through here. I hope I can see it. Put this body clip in first. Put my ambient temperature harness all the way over, and I'm going to clip it. There's the clip. Put it right through the bracket. Go over here. Attach my fog lights or driving lights. I'll get a plastic tie and reattach that. I'm going to reassemble the front splash shield. Put this one up first. I'm going to put the center bolt in first. There's 5 total here. There we go. Doesn't help when the bumper's been crushed a little bit. There we go. Sweet.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.